Are you dreaming of owning a home but worried about the high prices? What if I told you there are places in the America where you can buy a home without breaking the bank? Stay tuned as we explore 14 states where homes are incredibly affordable. You might just find your perfect new home. Let's start. 1. West Virginia. West Virginia consistently tops the list for the lowest home prices in the United States. The median home price is significantly lower than the national average. The state's natural beauty, with its mountains and rivers, provides a picturesque backdrop for affordable living. 2. Mississippi. Mississippi is known for its low cost of living, and housing is a major contributor. The state has some of the lowest median home prices in the nation. Areas like Jackson and Gulfport provide affordable housing options. 3. Arkansas. Arkansas offers a low cost of living and affordable housing. The state's natural attractions, such as the Ozark Mountains, make it an appealing place to live. Cities like Little Rock and Fayetteville offer affordable homes. 4. Alabama. Alabama's real estate market is known for its affordability. The state's warm climate, diverse landscapes, and historical significance add to its appeal. Cities like Birmingham, Montgomery, and Mobile provide a range of affordable housing. 5. Ohio. Ohio offers many areas with low home prices, making it a great choice for affordable housing. The state has a diverse economy and a strong job market. Cities like Cleveland, Cincinnati, and Columbus offer affordable urban living. 6. Indiana. Indiana consistently offers some of the lowest home prices in the U.S. The state is known for its friendly communities and affordable cost of living. Indianapolis, Fort Wayne, and South Bend are cities with affordable housing. 7. Oklahoma. Oklahoma's affordable housing market and low cost of living make it an attractive state for homebuyers. The state's economy is diverse, with strong energy and agricultural sectors. Cities like Oklahoma City and Tulsa offer affordable homes. 8. Iowa. Iowa is known for its low home prices and relatively low cost of living. The state offers a high quality of life with excellent schools and healthcare facilities. Cities like Des Moines and Cedar Rapids provide affordable housing. 9. Kentucky. Kentucky's affordable homes make it a great option for those seeking low-cost housing. The state's rich cultural heritage and scenic landscapes add to its appeal. Louisville and Lexington offer affordable urban living. 10. Kansas. Kansas is another state with low home prices and a low cost of living. The state's strong agricultural base provides economic stability. Cities like Wichita and Topeka offer affordable housing. 11. Missouri. Missouri offers affordable housing options and a reasonable cost of living. The state's diverse economy includes healthcare, manufacturing, and agriculture. Cities like Kansas City and St. Louis provide affordable homes. 12. Michigan. Michigan is known for its lower-than-average home prices, especially in certain areas. The state's natural beauty, with its Great Lakes and forests, adds to its appeal. Cities like Detroit, Grand Rapids, and Lansing offer affordable housing. 13. Louisiana. Louisiana has affordable home prices and a low cost of living. The state's rich cultural heritage, with its unique blend of French, Spanish, and Creole influences, makes it an interesting place to live. Cities like New Orleans and Baton Rouge offer affordable homes. 14. Nebraska. Nebraska is known for having affordable housing and a low cost of living. The state's strong agricultural and manufacturing sectors provide economic stability. Cities like Omaha and Lincoln offer affordable housing and a high quality of life. This was my today's video. If you liked my video, please like it.